You have enough time to spend enough money. मैं तुमको promise कर रहा हूँ. But money we don't have. But he'll have the time.
No, no. Wait, you have the money. I have your dollars.
I don't have money.
I have your dollars.
हाँ.
You are from Iran.
Oh, really?
Because speaking in Farsi. Maybe told me from Iran.
Yeah, maybe he thought you were. Yeah.
And I'm looking for this island, the old historical Greeks, Armenian, Jews, and Turks live in here. It's the biggest one, Trans Island. Trans Island, I told you, maybe 7 islands.
Yeah.
Are here, and the biggest one is the wealthy families making this summer home in.
Oh.
Yes, summer home. And actually, Armenians, I know Armenians lived in here, but